Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Valentine's dinosaur. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our Valentine's dinosaur, we're going to begin here and we're going to start with the head. To start off, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over like this. Then we're going to take this line and I'm going to curve it in. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just goes down. Then we'll make a little line that goes out and then it's going to curve back here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that curls up. And then it's going to come down for the mouth. Next, we'll make a little line that comes right back to here for the bottom of the mouth. Starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to come down for the body. Then I'll make a little line that curls down like this. And then a little line that curls down to here. The next step is we want to bring this line over to make the bottom of the foot. And then bring it right up to here by the tail and just connect it. We'll do the same thing here. Draw a little line that curves out and then comes back in. Draw a little line that curls down and come right back to here. Now for the arms, all I'm going to do is make a line that curls down like this. I'll make a little line that goes up and down. Then I'm just going to curl it back and up here. We'll add another little line right here. For the other arm, we're just going to draw a little line that goes down like this, then it curls down. We're going to go up and down, and you're just going to go up and then bring it over to the body. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. It's going to jump over the arm and come right to here for the stomach of our little Valentine's T-Rex. Now right in here we're going to add some little teeth on the top and we're going to put some little triangles at the bottom. I'm going to add a little curved line right here for part of the mouth. And right back here I'm going to make the eye, and I'm just going to make a little circle shape. I'm going to add another smaller circle in here, and then just color in the rest of this. I'm going to make two little black dots up here for the nose. And right along the back here, we're going to add some little triangle shapes for the spikes of our little T-Rex. So we're just going to make these come all the way down, and we'll put some small ones along the tail. And I'll put another little one or two up here on top of his head. Then over here we're going to have a little heart shape right here, and then we'll add the other side right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's T-Rex. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.